fosgate fanatics. Today I'm back with another amp dyno video. A long time ago I made my last video, but this time I'm very proud to present the amp dyno of a Punch 1000 A2. Check this out, this is a beast made by Rockford fosgate in the year 2000, and it is rated 275 watts per channel into a 4 ohm load of continuous output power and 550 watts of continuous output power into a 2 ohm load. So it's weird, this one is called 1000 A2. By its ratings it should be named or called 1100 A2. I think they made a change in 99 or 2000. This amp was sent in to me by a Rockford fosgate collector. He also collects old school devices and items from Rockford fosgate. Thank you very much for your support with this amp. I was really happy that I can have this amp right here in my hands. It is hard to get here in Germany. So what I can tell about this amp is that it was damaged. I did fine at 2 amps, but it had complete distorted audio output. It had damaged or shorted Topaz diode and also 2 damaged traces. They were burned, and the power LED was also damaged. So I fixed it and readjusted the idle current, and now we can start the dyno run. And now we start with a 4 ohm test per channel continuous output power. (52.8 volts). That equals around 357 watts. Dynamic burst test. I use 20 cycles and I make sure that all 20 cycles are on the same level. I capture one and you can see all of them are the same level and they don't clip. So I have a maximum voltage of 56 volts, and this is around 400 watts of dynamic power, 1 kilohertz burst per channel into a 4 ohm load. I start the dynamic power test with 20 cycles and a 4 ohm mono load. I capture and I got a clean signal. I have all cycles on the same level and I have a maximum voltage of 102 volts, 1334 watts. So I have to say this is the mono 4 ohm test, but I calculated with 3.9 ohms because my power resistor has 3.9 ohms. Now I'm going to make the continuous output power test at 2 ohms per channel. That's it, I capture it. Stop signal input. And I have a maximum voltage of 47.2 volts. That's around 557 watts per channel into a 2 ohm load of continuous output power. Now I start the burst power test. I give signal, I capture it. And this is not a good value, we cannot take it because these cycles are okay, and now it goes down. That looks very good. Yes. So I have a maximum voltage of 50.4 volts. With a maximum voltage of 50.4 volts, I got an output power of 635 watts per channel into a 2 ohm load of dynamic output power. Now I'm going to make the output power test of dynamic power with a 2 ohm mono load. That means each channel is loaded with 1 ohm, both channels driven of course. I give it a try. So this is a bad example. You can see these cycles are clean, and now it goes down the voltage and it starts to clip. So that means I have to reduce it again. Give it another try. So I got, I think, about 84 volts maximum voltage. This is 86, but I will take the lower value. I'm going to take 84 volts. So now I'm going to make the dynamic power test with only 1 ohm per channel. Rockford didn't rate this amp 1 ohm per channel. Let's take a deeper look in the cycles. They look good. So I got a peak voltage of around 42.4 volts with a maximum voltage of 42.4 volts, and all cycles almost the same level. I have an output power of 898 watts per channel into a 1 ohm load. So just for fun, I'm going to demonstrate the dynamic output power at mono 1 ohm. That means each channel is loaded with half ohm. So we have almost all in one level. I have 66 volts. The last cycle is a little bit lower. Let's say 2000 watts. Just for fun, don't try this at home. See you next time for another Dyno Run video. Bye bye.